Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a tour of the Cosmopolitan's Terrace Suite Fountain View. This suite is 1,070 square feet and it's huge, honestly. It's so big. It comes with a dining table with 4 chairs. Honestly, this room is great to entertain just because you have the dining room and you have a living room area with a TV. On top of that, let's be honest, you have 2 TVs and this huge couch. And what's really nice about this suite is there's gonna be 2 bathrooms, and I'm gonna show you guys that later. Here's the mini bar. They all have sensors on it. I don't know why for some reason this one was locked, but they all have sensors on it, even the mini bar fridge. If you remove anything for more than 5 seconds, they will charge you automatically. And everything, of course, is overpriced. They also give you your own fridge. You can put beverages or leftovers, whatever you want in there. Lots of space in the mini bar area. Great to entertain and put stuff. Next to the mini bar, there is like a little closet. You can put your luggage and there's your safe. So this terrace suite has sliding glass doors with a oversized, huge private terrace, your balcony with the best view of the Bellagio fountain show. Like, look at how big this terrace is, right? Obviously, it's a lot bigger than the terrace 1-bedroom suite. In your bedroom, you also have your table and a couch. One of my favorite features of the Cosmo rooms are the light buttons right next to the bed. Like, so accessible. You don't have to leave your bed to turn on or turn off the lights. You also have reading lights bedside. You also have reading lights on your headboards. And you also have these doors. These sliding doors will also close. You can keep the bedroom completely separate from the living room and dining. So this is the closet. I mean, it's not as big as the other suites closet, but it's still beautiful and there's plenty of space. Here is the main bathroom. You have lots of storage space. Like, the toilet has its own door. You have your vanity mirror with lights. You have drawers and a hairdryer, bougie hairdryer, dual sinks, a shower, and a bathtub. So the bathroom is really big. And this is the second bathroom. It's a full bath. It's not a half bath. You have a full bath right where the dining room is. So this room is honestly meant to entertain. Like, you have 2 bathrooms and both of the showers are the same. The only difference is it doesn't have the seating. This is the perfect room to entertain in. You got your dining area and your living room. It's perfect. This is honestly one of the best views in Vegas, for sure, hands down. This fountain view, even on New Year's, oh my God, this is the spot to be on New Year's. So this suite, having 2 large bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and this amazing oversized balcony with this amazing view, this room is meant to entertain. But in my opinion, I think the terrace 1-bedroom suite with the Japanese soaking tub, I prefer that one, even though it's smaller. If you want to check it out, you can watch the video right here. But hope you guys like that quick tour. Bye!